Go lang, Coco. Tambay ka lang. Go lang. Thank you so much, y'all. Thank you, babe. It's a crown. Thank you so much. Thank you, babe. Aminin na may tagong lihim. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, babe. Thank you so much. No, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Daddy. Wow. 2026. What about yan? It's supposed to be club. Hello, thank you so much. Thank you po. Hello, Rewar. Hello, Ken. Thank you. Thanks sa compliment. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Na, 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 na. Hi, Nicole. Hello, Mix. Thank you for the top. May naninil sa likod. Hello! Huwag kang ganyan. Wala takutan dito, guys. Oh, thank you, babe. Thank you so much. Wow. Hello, Richard. Hello, thank you, Daddy, again and again. Yay, 1 star na. 1 star na ako, guys. Hello, Kyria. Thank you sa inyo. 1 star. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, babe. Thank you so much. Hello, Flex. Mag-ano lang ako, guys. Lip balm. Hello, babaero ng Laguna. Welcome back. Thank you, Daddy. Where are you from, by the way? I'm from Palawan. Yes. Puerto Princesa City po sa Palawan. Hello, Lel Cosinero. Hello. Hello, Queen. Hello, Anonymous. Sasabihin ba din? Wow, yeah. Palawan is a very nice place. There's a lot of beautiful tourist spot here. Like El Nido, right? You familiar, with El Nido? Yung boses ko na naman. A lot of nice people. Yeah, that's true. Babe, you think I'm a nice person? Yan ang sinasabi, papalaban na naman tayo sa English. Papalaban na naman sa English yung Margo. By the way, I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. But I'm only human. Babe, where you from? You from Canada? Or what? Hello, call me Poppy. Poppy Cholo. Of course, you're so beautiful and sweet. Oh, thank you. Thank you, babe. I'm from Car. Where's that? In Where's Car in Cebu? I don't know, sorry. Hello, Edric Oy. Can you tell me where's Car? Central African Republic. Oh, okay. Sorry, cause I'm not familiar with your place. Sorry for that. Have you travel here in the Philippines? Hi, I'm just kidding. Aw, you're pranking me. That's why I've been thinking like Central African Republic. Parang I don't know if may ganyang place. I'm just kidding. You guys, you guys makes fun of me. Ala. Wait, I can see your, guys, your comments. From Makati City kami. Oh, diba? You're Tagalog. Kainis! Tawa tuloy si Savage. Kasi pinahirap-hirapan mo pa ako mag-English tuloy. Mali-mali English ko dito. Grammatical error. Over. Kasi nakarent pa kami nag-practice ng English para naubos na English ko. Taga Makati City lang ako, ikaw talaga. Kita mo yan, taga Makati City. Akala ko yung car, like, nasa Cebu. I don't know. Hello, Jay. Oh my gosh, I'm so antok na. Ako ang pulubi sa Makati. Ako ang pulubi. Weh, totoo ba? Hmm, parang, why there's a lot of girl in your, who's that girl? Who's those girl? Come on. Hello, Jonard. Alipin ako.